Psalm 23, a Psalm of David. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me, thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Meditate on this psalm, trusting God to provide for your needs, bless your efforts, and guide you to abundance. What part of Psalm 23 resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If this psalm touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs this reminder today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more powerful moments of faith and reflection. Together, let's spread the light of hope and love. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.